Number 2, in Mrs. Elliott's garden, 1/8 of the flowers are red, 1/4 of them are purple, and 1/5 of the remaining flowers are pink. If there are 120 flowers, how many flowers are pink? So this is a multi-step problem. We need to figure out how many of the flowers are red. We know 1/8 of them are, so red flowers. 1/8 times 128, because that is the total amount of flowers there are. 1 times 128 equals 128. 8 times 1 equals 8. So now we have to divide 128 divided by 8. Over here, I'm going to do it to the side. 1 divided by 8, we can't do that. 12 divided by 8, once. 1 times 8 equals 8. We subtract them. 2 minus 8 we can't do, so we have to go and borrow. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Bring down the 8. Now we have 48 divided by 8 equals 6. So there are 16 red flowers. Now we have to figure out how many purple flowers are. 1/4 of them are purple. So 1/4 of 128. Now we're going to multiply these across. 1 times 128 equals 128. 4 times 1 equals 4. Now we have 128 divided by 4. We can't do 1 divided by 4, so we bring up a 0. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract them and we get 0. Bring down our 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So there are 32 purple flowers. Now let's do the rest of the problem. 1/5 of the remaining flowers are pink. We don't know how many remaining flowers are, so we need to add 16 plus 32 to see the total amount between them two. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 1 equals 4. In order to figure out how many are remaining, we have to take our total amount, 128, and subtract 48. 128 minus 48. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 2 minus 4. Can't do that, so we have to go and borrow. 12 minus 4 equals 8. So there are 80 flowers remaining. 1/5 of the remaining flowers are pink. So we have to do 1/5 times our 80. 1/5 times 80 over 1. 1 times 80 equals 80. 5 times 1 equals 5. Now we have 80 divided by 5. We're going to solve for that. 8 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Bring down the 0. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So our answer is 16. There are 16 pink flowers.